Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to share all of the crafty shenanigans that I got into recently over in the Crafty Club. You guys, it's a very, very busy time. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I made all my own postcards again this month. So I did these collage sticker backgrounds, and I am challenging the Crafty Club members that receive these to further enhance them. So it's like a collaborative little mixed media piece. So I got it going so they can finish it off with stuff that they've got in their stash, and I think that's just so much fun. So I used a bunch of these sticker books from American Crafts. I love this one. I'm so gonna do this technique in some Happy Mails soon. But yeah, I figured, I added enough little fun things for them to kind of go from. So there's a whole bunch of those, and if you're interested in receiving a postcard from me in the mail wherever you are in the whole wide world, definitely check out the Crafty Club. There's a link down below the video. And then as for the actual projects, I made this really pretty pocket letter. I think it's really pretty. I love the shades of blue and pink on this. So I use the Echo Park Just Be You collection a lot for the projects that you're going to see today. And I just think this turned out so adorable. I love it. And then the back looks like this. Sometimes I don't show you guys the goodies that I put in, but I figured today I would, since I have everything already ready to go. So I'm including some California poppy seeds. I love the poppies. They're so great. And I thought this would be kind of a fun way to share a little bit of California summer with my Happy Mail peeps over in the club. A couple of washi samples, a couple of little glassine bags, some sticky notes, whole bunch of pink jemmies, some flare bits, what are these, tags and ephemera, some cut apart stickers, and then some rubber pieces here. And this is what it looks like all in one shot. I did also create some little miniature TNs. So I do have a couple of these today to share too. So this one says, "Know in your heart you are loved." These are very similar to the ones that I made last month for the Happy Mail people, but I just switched up the patterns. This one's really cute. Again, there's a little notebook in here, a little dashboard. So this is laminated, so they could use it as a bookmark or like a pencil board or something. Another shaker. This one I used a bunch of Serena B's paper cakes green mix. It was one that I've had for a really long time from when she first launched her Christmas collection, so I can't remember the name, but I'm pretty sure she has a similar green mix in her shop right now. I did add some kind of blue ones, so all the blue ones I added just to kind of tie in the blues and the greens or whatever. So that is a shaker, and then there's a pocket here. You can see the washi sample flew out, so it just will go in there. I might put a paper clip here too to kind of help hold that in there. And then another notebook, and then I decorated the folders this time. I included some little sticky notes, some stickers, and a couple of little journaling cards. So that is that TN. I think the person who receives this will really like it. At least I hope she will. And then it just so happened that I've been destashing a ton recently. In fact, I have a whole summer destash series going on right now over in the Crafty Club. So I came across a bunch of old projects that I never sent out to anyone. So I was like, you know what? Let's go old school, pot fizz paper, craftiness, share some of the vintage love, get it out of my stash to people who might actually enjoy it. So I think the person who will wind up receiving this one will really like it. Yeah, there's like lots of moons and pretty pinks and golds, and there's touches of brown in here, which I think this she'll really like. There's a pocket here with some ephemera and frames. This is just like a little decorative piece here, a pocket. Hopefully the person who receives this enjoys a bit of pot fizz paper history. That's what we're gonna go with, so yes. And then this month I also experimented with creating some ephemera folios. These have probably been done a bazillion times before. I just kind of tailored it to what I had on hand, what I wanted to include, and the supplies I wanted to use. So again, the Echo Park Just Be You. I did forget, this is Pink Paisley Moonstruck, if you're curious about this collection. Okay, back to this. So I used some double-sided paper, folded it in half, cut it down to the size I needed. I did decorate the fronts of these because I thought that'd be really fun. And then on the inside, there's these pockets here. And I used this die to cut out these panels. And so there's all sorts of like little slots in here, and I stuffed the crap out of these pockets. Like there's stuff not even really tucked in there. They're just kind of like resting amongst the other things. I just thought it would be fun to fill these up as much as I freaking could. So there's some stickers in here, some more stickers, a ton of die cuts and like ephemera embellishment things they can make other things out of. There's some labels, there's like some magazine articles because I want to include that in there. And then I sewed this page in here, and these are some pressed botanicals from my yard that I've had for forever, so I thought they would go kind of nicely with the vibe. And I wanted to have some kind of interactive element on the inside just so it wasn't like very kind of simple open see everything all at once. I wanted there to be kind of some interaction, so I made sure to try to cut this vellum piece so that it would like match the size as closely as possible of the slot panel behind it. I just think it's cute. I like that you can see through it, and I stitched it in. I stitched all the panels in so you can see the border around here. I think that's kind of nice. And then how I did this was I had my sheet open, sewed it down the middle to attach it, sewed around 3 sides, shoved the plants in, and then sewed it closed. So if you guys want a tutorial on this, it's definitely something I can do. It's really simple. But having a sewing machine definitely makes it easier. Here in the back you can see I did the same kind of thing. There's a whole nother pocket back here. I think there's like a little baggie in here somewhere with some washi samples in there too. I don't know, there's so much stuff. Some more California poppy seeds. I got a pack for every one of the Happy Mail people. Another article I thought the person would enjoy, some tags, all sorts of all the things in there. So I hope that she enjoys this. I think it's really fun. She can take all this stuff out, incorporate it into her own stash and her own projects. Then she could repurpose this. You fill it up, send it on to someone else. I don't know, put this in a mini album maybe. This would fit nicely. You could just put like a little strip here and punch the strip, and then put this in a mini album. That'd be really cute. So yeah, so I'm really excited about this. I think this turned out really cute, and I hope that people who receive one of these really like them. All right, another pocket letter. I think this one is really cute too. Yeah, I love this, and I included some little frames. I left them blank so they could repurpose them if they wanted to, or put their own pictures back there, or whatever they wanted. And then kind of the same deal with the goodies. So got that. That one's really cute. I like that one a lot. Another version of the little mini TN that I've been including. So I'm trying to get every one of the Happy Mail people to get one of these by the end of the summer. So that's kind of my goal. So if you're watching this and you're one of the Happy Mail people and you have not gotten your little TN yet, it's coming, I promise. It might not be one of these, but you will get one, I promise. That's kind of my goal. Because it's a very kind of detailed, intricate thing to have to do. So it takes a bit of time and all that. So hopefully you guys are enjoying these little TNs. I think they're really cute. I need to make myself one though. I've been going crazy making everybody else one and not myself. A couple more blasts from the past. So I made these, I want to say last summer or the summer before. I think these are really cute, and I'm just including them as like an extra little bonus thing. There's a ton of stuff in there, and I don't know. I felt that'd be nice. I like to I try to err on the side of putting in too much stuff because I'm always afraid people are going to feel like they're not getting their money's worth. So I try to spoil my people a little bit if and when I can. Here's another little ephemera folio. This one's really cute because I had some strips of paper. So I just sewed them down the middle on like a wider strip to hold them in place, and it came up with like this really cute little layered effect. You can't really see much of the sewing though, so you could probably do this with just adhesive. But I think it's really cute, especially if you could see the sewn line going down. So that is that, and then you can see the stitching here on the side where the vellum pocket is held in place. Then this one has a ton of stuff in here too. There's a lot more yellow things in here, so I feel like it's kind of blending in a bit. Oh, I also included some of these fun vellum envelopes. More alphas. What else did I include? Oh, I included some little sticky notes in this one. More seeds in here. I think this pocket has a couple washi samples. You know? Oh, yeah. And then in these two, I included some enamel dots. These are from a different collection, but they go like perfectly. Like, it's crazy how well these go, I feel like. So I included a pack for each of the Ephemera folio people. That way they could use it with the goodies that are included. And I try to coordinate the goodies in there too. So they could hopefully, ideally, create a whole new project just from the stuff I've included. That's always kind of my goal with stuff like that. Same with like the pocket letters, like aside from the papers. My goal is that they can make something with all the stuff I included. Alright, so I have this little mini pocket letter, and this is going to my special friend. So I found this. I thought it would be really cute to share. I need to put some goodies in there though. I don't know, just a fun little thing. So I'll include that, and that'll bring a smile to her face. And then as far as goodies for everyone, if people have not received one of these blue star notebooks yet, they will be getting one in this month's Happy Mail, or should, unless I totally mess it up, which could well happen. I'm so sorry if it does. And then I found these stickers at Tuesday morning, so I got a whole bunch of packs, so one for everybody. So I think that's cool. I tried to pick colors that I thought the people would like. And I'm also including a Tombow little pack here. This is kind of in anticipation of Crafty Camp, so there's a little bit of lettering supplies in here. There's a plastic eraser, a mono drawing pen, and then one of the mono drawing pencils. And then in previous months, I think it was even last month, they got a food Suki, so they're well set for the lettering week of Crafty Camp, as well as Mixed Media Week would also be good with some of these supplies. And then because I got such a great deal on these little embroidery kits from Amy Tangerine, I decided to pick one up for each of my people. I think this would be so much fun. Again, for Crafty Camp, this would be amazing for like the DIY goodies week. You could do a bunch of like little bits of hand stitching and details and stuff. And I will have like a first impressions testing video of me trying this out for the first time over in the club. So if you're on the fence about trying something like this, I will have kind of my thoughts about that coming up soon. And then, like I said, I got in a gardening magazine. It was this one, and I just picked it up at Barnes & Noble because like I wanted to pull out some of the articles to include kind of like as ephemera, you know, for those ephemera folio things. And I was like, you know what? There's so many great little like one-pager articles in here, you know, and I can rip out a whole bunch and share them with people. So everybody got like a couple of these little articles. They can cut them apart, you know, use the words and mixed media stuff, use the pictures for ephemera, use these for a background for something, you know, I don't know, but I just thought it would be kind of fun. And I've never done something like that before, and I just wanted to try it. And so y'all will have to let me know what you think of this, and if you like this or not, let me know. And then I did forget to mention in these little bags that I sewed closed, I did add some little pink star sequins and stuff that they can repurpose in their stash. But there's also an oracle card in here, so I just picked them at random, and I will, you know, hand these out at random, and whoever gets what gets what. But I thought it'd be kind of fun. They can put it up in their office, toss it in their planner, hang it up on their wall, put it on their fridge. I don't know, maybe it could be like of meaning to them or something, or help guide them. They could incorporate it into a project. That'd be really cute. So that's what's going on in there. But this is a look. This is kind of an overview of all the things that I made for the Happy Mail people. I hope you guys enjoyed this project share. You give some of these ideas a try. If you are curious about the Crafty Club, I will have a link down below, as well as all the information for Crafty Camp, which is my summer Crafty Camp, creative camp for grown-ups. So I have a whole video on that too. And again, I will leave a link to that down below as well, so you guys can learn all about Crafty Camp and join in the fun. It's going to be amazing. You don't want to miss it. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.